Good morning. Today's tutorial is going to take a look at how to create a scheduled Google Meet session so that the session will run indefinitely and you will always have a link that's available for you to use with your students. So the first step in doing this is to go to google.com. And when you arrive on the home page, you are going to go over here to the upper right-hand corner and you are going to select the Google Apps icon. When you do this, you will have a little drop down menu and you are going to search for the Google Meet icon. Once you have found the Google Meet icon, go ahead and select it. And you will be taken to a page that will now help you start to set up your Google Meet. So, what you're going to do is you are going to select New Meeting. And then you're going to have a couple of options. We want to select schedule in Google Calendar. Scheduling in Google Calendar is going to create that indefinite link that we can continually pull and use with our students. So once you have selected this, you're going to have a variety of options available to you. The first thing that you'll want to do is create a title for your session. So you could use something like this. So I've just titled it Mrs. Herbolt's Virtual Snow Day Google Meet so that I, as the teacher, know exactly what this link is for in case I might have multiple links on my calendar. So once you have created your title, you then need to set up the session. And so in doing so, you're first going to select the date, which when I'm creating this session, I'm just going to leave it as today's date because I would like the link to start automatically today. And then I am going to schedule out my Google Meet session. And so I am going to go ahead and schedule it out through the end of the year, just to play it safe in case I would forget to make a new link or anything like that. I'll know that this link is good through the end of the year and I won't have to worry about it. So I'll go ahead and set that. Next, we need to set the time. I am going to set this for all day because we want the session to occur all day long. And then I am also going to set this for daily. This is going to make the session occur every single day, all day within our calendar. So it's just an indefinite Google Meet session that I can pull up and use with my students at any time. So I don't need to worry about the time period for this. It's all just going to be set up right now. So when looking in next steps, there are some other options for you to be able to fill in. You can go ahead and fill those in if you would like. For this tutorial's purpose, I am not going to do that. I'm just going to leave them blank. When I'm looking for where's my Google Meet link, it's right here. So this is the Google Meet link that you would share with your students. Now, in order to have this session be saved and to have this link actually become active, you're going to need to select Save. So you'll go up here in this upper portion of the screen and select Save. And it's going to, once you select Save, take you automatically to your calendar. And you can see that I have a couple of links that are indefinitely scheduled. And so if I'm looking for the link that I want to share with my students, I would go to my Virtual Snow Day Google Meet, and I can just click on that, and it's going to bring up that meeting link for me. I can also use this option right here to be able to copy the info, and then I can just automatically paste it wherever need be. So for our purposes within our district, you are going to use this link right here that I have highlighted to post on your Google Classroom streams for your students, and to also post on the Google spreadsheet for the times that you have signed up on a virtual snow day to host Google Meet sessions. Within Google Classroom, there is an option to host a Google Meet within that class. You don't want to use that option for this purpose because that's going to create multiple individual Google Meets for you. And for our purposes, we just want to have one link that our students can go directly to. If you're wondering about how to use that or what to do with that, this tutorial is not covering that. It's specifically just to cover one Google Meet session that runs indefinitely that you can use at any time and with all students. Thank you for tuning in. And if you have any questions, feel to reach out to myself, Mrs. Herbolt, or you can reach out to your building administrator at any time and we will be happy to help. Have a great day.